This is the label of CATL. It is made by 6 series, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 series and 1 parallel. Here's the label for reference. And this is also the label of CATL. Okay, let's have a testing of the module for reference. The voltage is 3.71 volts. Internal resistance is 0.37 milliohm. You can see each cell in the module is very consistent. They have very little difference between each of them. Let's have a look of the whole battery module internal resistance and voltage. The voltage is 22.25 volts and the internal resistance only 2.34 milliohm.